Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to HIMedia Helpdesk. This is our Get in Command Line tutorial and I am your host. We are going to get right into it, and I am staring, as are you right now, at a repository that I've made called Getting It. I know it's very punny, but I digress. I'm going to go over some important commands and Git and stuff so you know what you're doing, but more importantly, I want to start with an analogy. And this analogy is going to be the basis for every video following this. So I really hope you are listening to this first. See yourself as you're working in a group on a project for school. And you have the decision. Then it's a group of about, say, 6 of you. One person's a group leader. And you all have your own workstations, but there's an area, and you guys have this dedicated area where you guys put all your stuff, and you just, if you finish working on something and you want to share it, you can collaborate with by putting it over there. And there's a table in the back of the room where the group lead has different boxes for different contributions, like pieces of paper, contributions and stuff that you guys have done, and it's for the different drafts, like things that are you're working on, like you have different drafts, he's categorizing them, and he has one last category that's like, this is good, this is definitely going to the final product, this is definitely going to our final draft, and then once that final draft is ready to go, you have to submit all of them because the teacher in question wants to see all the different categories and see everything you guys have done. But you guys are all those things are important. They want to see where those processes are coming from. But the main important bit of it comes from the last one, your final project. And this is kind of an analogy I want to use to going forward to explain Git and the command line. So the first thing I want to start with is I want to show you guys what I mean. And I'm going to go into I'm actually not going to go into it in this video, so you guys are going to want to click over to the next one and I'm going to explain more there. But this preliminary analogy, keep it in your head while we're doing it, and figure out when you're listening to explanations of what each thing is with Git, slot it into this analogy and how does it fit? What is it? What is this here? How does it relate? It'll help you understand it comprehensively. So this has been HIMedia Helpdesk. We will see you guys next time.